Hi there, this is Caroline from SewCanShe.com. This is my designer zipper pouch video course that I'm offering to my readers because I love you so much and because I am so excited about this method that I have been using to make zipper pouches that are so professional. It's very easy. I have zipper corners that are not pinched like most other zipper pouches are, even the ones you buy. So this is going to be so much more beautiful and so much more well made than anything you can even buy in the store. And of course, you're going to use your favorite designer fabric. So that's why it's a designer zipper pouch. And you see on this one, I used tulip pink fabric, both inside and out. And then as I watched the lessons, I worked along with them, and I made one more also in tulip pink fabric. So you see here, so as you watch the lessons, you'll see me working along with you, making this one. And then also I used the scraps from this bag to make this tiny little one, just to show you how you can use the same techniques once you learn them, and you can vary the size and shape of your pieces and vary the length of your zipper to make any size zipper pouch you want. And they will all have these beautiful corners, boxed bottoms if you want that. So I'm so excited about this process for making zipper bags. I hope you love it too. So please watch the lessons in order, leave any questions if you have any, and let's have fun making beautiful designer zipper pouches.